You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at the Bitcoin chart. Right now, something is happening on the chart and I'm going to update you, and also on the ETHUSD chart, what all BTC and ETH trader have to watch right now. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. If you look at this very price action, yesterday in my previous video, I talked about that the market right now is in a descending triangular pattern, and a descending triangular pattern is a bearish continuation pattern. That means markets go right down and form this pattern, and then we want to see a continuation of this pattern to the downside. So right now what we are seeing is that the market is within this very level consolidating. Consolidation means that markets will break out on either side in the next coming days or any moment soon. So what we are seeing is market sitting at 41,800K level. What we are expecting right now is a breakout on the support level right here or the resistance level right at this point. So what will you be looking at right now is this very breakout. Yesterday also in my previous video, I said the market cannot just break here or break down, that we could possibly see the market move slightly like this in this consolidation before the market will break out. If you look at your price chart at this point, you will discover that the market is still consolidating, and very soon we are going to see a breakout in the market. If markets come back right down to this level and you see a bearish close that close below every other close on this very support level, then that means market is going to go right down, and technically the target I am looking out for is 37 and 38K level within this area. Then if markets break up, that is break the resistance level right here, then that means market is going to go far way up to $46,000. This is my technical level I am looking out for right now on BTC. Then if you look at the volume indicator, if the market break down, you want to see a spike in volume, which should be a red bar spike. Okay, so a red bar spike means market breaking down with a bearish close on the downside before we can see the market go right down. So you have to pay attention to the volume indicator. For market to move right down, we want to see a decrease in volume, which will result to a volume spike right here for the bearish move. We want to see the same thing on the resistance level right here. We want to see a bullish spike around this area on the resistance level, a bullish spike on the indicator, and then an increase in volume. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance right here, you see the market is at this resistance level at this point. So if market continue down, then that means BTC is going to break right down to this level of $37,000 and $38,000. And then if you see the market break this very resistance line and go right up, then we're going to see the market break right up as well on this resistance level to the upside. Now, this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT. If you look at ETHUSD right now, you see the market is sitting at 3K level at this area. So what I am expecting on this chart is very simple. If you look at the MACD right down, you see the MACD is already on the negative side right here with the signal line and the MACD line. Also, the histogram is forming on the negative side of the MACD. For us to take a trade here, we want to see a breakout on this very move and a breakout right here. Now, potentially, you can take a trade from this area if you see a momentum in market, and this should be your first target because this is a very strong level. So you see this very area as a ranging market. I talked about that in my previous video, that markets come back from here to the upside, then go right down, go up again to retest this level, retest this level again. Market to potentially go back up in this case before it will come back down again. But what we want to see to confirm a bullish move is a breakout on this very area right here. That means we want to see a breakout on this very resistance level for market to move straight to the upside, and then we want to see a breakout as well
on the support level right here for market to continue downward. So this is what I am paying attention to on ETH USDT chart. So if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on bell notification. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, and Bybit, please check the link in the description right now and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.